Part 2 of biological macromolecules are the carbohydrates. Now, carbohydrates include sugars, starches, and various fibers. We start off with the monomers of the group. They are known as the monosaccharides, the simple sugars. Monosaccharides can be anywhere from 3 to 7 carbons or so. They can exist as short chains or as rings, usually as rings. 3 examples of monosaccharides include glucose, fructose, and galactose. Glucose circulates in our blood. It's very abundant in nature. Fructose is also abundant in nature and found in some sweeteners. Galactose occurs as part of the larger sugar lactose. Now, of course, when we eat these and we absorb these, the glucose in our body is ready to go. When we absorb other monosaccharides, they're brought to our liver and our liver converts them into glucose. Now, disaccharides are sugars made of 2 monosaccharides. And again, I've got 3 examples: sucrose, maltose, and lactose. Sucrose is table sugar. It's made of a glucose and a fructose stuck together. Maltose is made of 2 glucoses. And lactose is made of glucose and galactose put together. When we eat disaccharides, we have to digest them. We produce digestive enzymes to break them into the monosaccharides. We absorb the monosaccharides, and those that are not glucose get turned into glucose, so it all ends up as glucose in the body. Now, polysaccharides are known as the complex carbohydrates because they are much bigger. They're made of many monosaccharides. Now, some are for energy and some are for structure. Starch is a plant energy storage polysaccharide. So all starchy foods are from plants. Now, glycogen is an animal energy storage polysaccharide. We store glycogen in our body, in muscle tissue, and in the liver. Now, when we eat starch, we digest it, we absorb it as glucose, and it still ends up in the body as glucose. Structural polysaccharides are largely indigestible. Cellulose is a plant structural polysaccharide. We do not produce the enzymes necessary to break cellulose. Cellulose is what cell walls are made of in plants, fibers, other tough parts. Chitin is what makes up the cell walls of fungi, and chitin can also be found in various animal groups, such as the exoskeleton of arthropods. So this concludes the carbohydrates.